Hi everyone, welcome back to Ash's Kitchen. Today we are making a dish called Mala Tofu. Spicy, fragrant, silky soft tofu that's just begging to be spooned over a bowl of steaming rice. Honestly, who could say no to that? Alright, first up, grab some Sichuan peppercorns. We are going to dry toast them in the wok. No oil, no water. You don't want them burnt, just that almost their aroma. Once that's done, crush them up, but not into a fine powder. Leave a bit of texture. Now, take a tablespoon of Doubanjiang. Add a small handful of fermented black beans. Then chop everything together until it's nicely combined. Set that aside too. For the tofu, I'm using firm tofu. This one is made with brine, which holds up better. Try to avoid silken tofu for this dish, because it falls apart way too easily in the wok. Cut it into bite-sized cubes. For the aromatics, I'm chopping up some green onions, cutting the ginger into slightly larger chunks, and mincing the garlic. Nice and fresh. All the ingredients and measurements are listed in the description below, so check there if you need the exact amounts. Now let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a simmer. Drop in the tofu cubes and add about a teaspoon of salt. This helps keep the tofu tender. Let it simmer for just a minute or two. You don't need to wait for the water to boil again. Then carefully pour both the tofu and the water into a bowl. This keeps the tofu warm and stops it from clumping together. Back to the wok. Heat some oil. Add in the chopped Doubanjiang mixture and stir fry over low heat until it's fragrant. Next, toss in the ginger, a little chili powder, keeping the heat low so it doesn't burn. Add 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce and about 150 milliliters water. Now add the tofu in the wok. Use the back of your spatula to nudge it around. No rough stirring, or it will break apart. Season with 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon MSG, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes so the tofu soaks up all that flavor. Time to thicken the sauce. Pour in 1 tablespoon cornstarch slurry and gently move the tofu around again. Then add in the green onions and the garlic. Finally, sprinkle over that freshly crushed Sichuan peppercorn and finish with 0.5 tablespoons of chili oil. That's it. Look at that! The sauce is glossy. The tofu is coated perfectly. For this dish, make sure you thicken the sauce enough, otherwise the tofu won't carry the flavor. Alright, let me try it first for you. Wow, spicy, numbing, and absolutely packed with flavor. Perfect for anyone who loves bold tastes, vegetarians, or a fans of classic Chinese comfort food. Thanks for watching. See you next time.